episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And we got another one that came by way of Ferengi from Australia. Thank you. This is an Indonesian variety by Indomie. This is mee goreng ayam pop. An ayam pop is a prepared type of chicken. See that chicken? Doesn't it look like it's just like a regular drumstick thigh kind of thing going on? Or it's a wing or whatever. Anyways, this is the idea is that they take the chicken, they boil it in what do you call it? Coconut milk and herbs and spices for a while. They kind of marinate it, and then they deep fry it in coconut oil, which sounds really freaking good. I did not prepare that. I didn't have all the stuff for it. I didn't have a way to get to the Asian grocery to get all the stuff to actually make ayam pop. But, you know, what do? You just take a chicken breast, put some salt on it, and throw it in the oven. Hey! So, it'll look the part. But you cook this up like regular mee goreng. So there's really not a whole heck of a lot to it. Yeah. So how's you doing? It's still my birthday. Yep. And, yeah. So I went out last night and I got a piece of what do you call it? A cucumber and tomato to go with it. I can't even talk. I'm just like so out of it. I'm good. I have Powerade white cherry mixed with a peach mango bang drink. Still feel like I'm gonna pass out. I'm so tired. Yeah, I used to do 2 energy drinks a day, and then I switched to 1, and today I just feel like I'm gonna need 2. It's a 2 energy drink kind of day, but it doesn't seem to want to work. That's okay. Boil, go, go. The next one I'm doing is kind of ridiculous. The next one uses 600 mils of water. It's freaking huge. That one was sent by another reader. It's really neat. My favorite stuff that I get is sent by people like you that watch this show, that read my stuff on theramenraider.com. People that are in the Facebook groups or on the Facebook page. They just get a hold of me and they're like, hey, have you tried this? You wanna? I'll send you one. Okay. So that's nice. I really, really appreciate it when people do that. It's like, it's nice to know that I'm not the only person that's that crazed about instant noodles out there. So, and yeah, sunny, getting warmer. The shorts will be worn soon. I like that. It's been a cold winter here, honestly. That and just like the non-stop rain. We've had a lot of rain. It hasn't been crazy like California though. That's nuts. It's like I got family in Northern California, my in-laws up there, and they've been just saying, oh, it's still raining. It's raining. It's raining. It's usually just so nice down there, but nope. I don't know if they actually got snow there, but yeah. They've had weather. They have had the weather. Alright, so let's drain you. Drain. So I read a little bit about this, and they were saying, you know, if you've never had ayam pop, like at a restaurant, and this is your first introduction to it, it's like the wrong thing. This really is not indicative of what that stuff tastes like, what they were saying. They were saying this one is pretty spicy, but that's not the main element of Ayam pop. So good to know. But if it's good, I'm going to say, hey, I like that variety. But they also said that this one kind of reminds them of other special... this is part of the Indonesia range, which is like Indonesian culinary, you know? So, it's the fancy. But I guess the real thing tastes more coconutty or something. I don't know. We shall see. There's that. Then we got our powder. I wonder if this is coconut milk powder. Smells interesting. And we stir. Oh boy, that smells neat. Now usually on mee goreng, I'm always up for using an egg, but I don't see one on this one. So I'm gonna kind of be staying away from the egg on this one. All right, let's give this a try. Here's what we have. Looks like it's well coated. Let's try it. A little bit spicy. I'm definitely getting kind of a bump of, what do you call it? Cumin, I think. That'd be my guess. That's tasty. I do like that. Oh. Oh, okay. Stay dry. And we're gonna do the cup action. You know how I like to do the cup action. Yeah, I'm getting kind of that coconutty hit to it. Yeah, I like the flavor of that. Chicken. Did that just turn off again? No. A little bit of cucumber, because that's what it looks like it has. It's cucumber. And then I'm going to throw some tomato over here. And maybe a little bit. It's like I end up spending so much money on garnish that it's ridiculous. That a lot of it that I just never end up using because it goes bad so quick. Like coriander. Probably like a billionth of this bag will get used. And use a little bit of sesame. And some crushed red pepper. I'm gonna leave it at that. I like that. Something different. But yeah, this one tastes freaking awesome. I'm thrilled. I think that'll work out all right-ish. So yeah, look at that. Well, thanks again to Ferengi from Australia for sending that one over, and thanks to James from Lakeside, California for this one. This is JML udon noodles with seafood flavor. It's huge. 600 mils of water on this one. That'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, it really helps me out. Thanks. Have a good one, and bye.